How to get image ID in Roblox. In this video, I'm going to show you a very simple tutorial in just few steps that how you can get image ID in Roblox, right? So let's get started. Here, once you have logged in into the Roblox, on the top menu bar, you will see this marketplace icon, right? Just go over here. And once you go over here, you will get this option of create, right? So basically these are the images right now you can see here. So you have to just go to the marketplace, as we already into the marketplace right now. And you can also click on the create, so it will take you to basically the creator hub, and just click on start creating. So it will ask you to open Roblox, right? And make sure you have downloaded that Roblox studio, right, where you can just create your games, right? So here you can see that it's downloaded and you can just install it, right? So this is a mandatory because without installing it you won't be able to use, right? So here you can see, but let me show you how you can just go. First of all, yeah, of course you have to go to the marketplace, and for example here you will see a lot of images, and here let's say that I want. Now you have to just click on any of the, for example, I just want the image of this one, right? So if I just go here, and once I go here, you can see that this is a URL and this is a image ID, right? So if I just double click, then this is an image and I can just copy it and I can use it in my Roblox studio to to bring that image there. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe channel. See you guys in the next video.